Hello and welcome to this informative video on the declining value of Pakistan's currency. The value of a country's currency is a crucial indicator of its economic health, and in recent years, the Pakistani rupee has been facing a steady decline. In this video, we will examine the reasons behind this trend and what it means for the people of Pakistan. Reason 1. Inflation and economic slowdown. One of the main reasons for the devaluation of the rupee is the high inflation rate in Pakistan. Inflation has been on the rise in recent years due to various factors such as a decrease in agricultural production, increasing food prices, and a shortage of electricity and gas. This, in turn, has led to a slowdown in the country's economy, which has further weakened the rupee's value. Reason 2. Trade deficit and dependence on imports. Pakistan has a large trade deficit, which means that it imports more goods than it exports. This puts a strain on the country's foreign currency reserves and makes it difficult for the government to support the rupee's value. Additionally, Pakistan's dependence on imported oil and other commodities has also contributed to the trade deficit and weakened the rupee. Reason 3. Political instability. Political instability and uncertainty can also play a role in the devaluation of a country's currency. In Pakistan, political turmoil, including allegations of corruption and political manipulation, has created uncertainty and instability, which has led to a decrease in investor confidence and a weaker rupee. In conclusion, the devaluation of the Pakistani rupee is a complex issue with several contributing factors. It is crucial for the government to address inflation, the trade deficit, and political instability in order to revive the economy and restore the value of the rupee. The devaluation of the currency has a direct impact on the everyday lives of the people of Pakistan, and it is essential for the government to take the necessary steps to ensure economic stability and growth. Thank you for watching this video on the declining value of Pakistan's currency. We hope that this information has been helpful in understanding the reasons behind this trend and what it means for the people of Pakistan.